Hello guys, welcome back to Cheesy and Family's channel. To all my old subscribers, you guys are amazing, and if you're watching my video for the first time, you are welcome, and do consider subscribing on your way out. Okay guys, if you want to know how I achieved these delicious ice creams, just stay tuned. Let's just dive into it. Only these two ingredients, this milk and this, to make the ice cream. Okay, so stay tuned, don't go anywhere, just balance there and grab your popcorn. Let's dive into it. Okay, actually I used two of these whipping cream. At a point I noticed that the ice cream will be small when I'm done doing it, so I literally used 1000 gram instead of 500, because this one is 500, so I used two of it. Okay, at this point I'll be adding powdered milk. So I'm gonna add like 3 to 4 spoons of powdered milk. Right now, I'll go ahead and put my condensed milk. I will go ahead and freeze it for about 4 hours. Okay, so just stay tuned. I'm gonna show you guys the outcome. Alright? So I'll be putting in here too, because my kids like the ice cream from here. So I'll go ahead and put the spoon. One. ahead and scoop it out. And sprinkle it some colors. Wow, look at that. Delicious ice cream, guys. Whoa. Okay guys, this is my ice cream. Thank you all for watching. And if you're watching my video for the first time, please kindly subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that anytime I post a video, you're gonna be the first person to be notified. And give this video a thumbs up